Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A7 door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, such as a plastic trim removal kit and a set of Torx screwdrivers. Begin by locating and removing any visible screws, which are typically found in the door pull or under the armrest. Next, gently pry off the small trim piece located behind the interior door handle. After removing this trim, you will likely find another screw. Finally, carefully disconnect the electrical connector for the window switch panel. Now, let's tackle the hidden fasteners. After removing the small trim piece behind the door handle, you'll find a screw that needs to be removed. Next, carefully pry up the entire window switch panel using your plastic trim tool. Once it's loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to the switch assembly. Take your time here to avoid damaging the delicate wiring. Always double-check for any other hidden screws, sometimes found under small rubber mats or caps. With all screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Starting from the bottom edge, use your plastic pry tool to carefully release the clips holding the panel to the door frame. Work your way around the entire perimeter, gently pulling the panel away as the clips release. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel upwards to disengage it from the window channel. Finally, disconnect the door handle cable and any last electrical connectors before setting the panel aside. To reinstall the door panel, reverse the removal steps. First, reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable. Carefully align the top edge of the door panel with the window channel and push it down firmly into place. Next, press around the perimeter of the panel to ensure all the clips snap back into their respective holes. Reinstall all screws and trim pieces. Finally, test the window operation, door lock, and interior door handle to confirm everything functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.